Okay, this is a short video to show you how to fix the center console latch on a Toyota Sienna. We have a 2015 and somebody slammed it and basically the little latch won't work anymore, and so the console lid just stays up. And they're about 50 bucks online, so I came up with a way to fix it. And so all you have to do is just snap the console apart, pull out the cup holder and some other parts. You can look online how to do that. And then once you pull this piece out here, this is right under the cup holders, and this is the latch that you push that opens the door on top. And so this was basically not moving when you push the top button. There's a silver button on top here, but now that I have it apart, it looks like this. So what had happened was there was this little piece that moves back and forth. See if I can get a better focus here. There's two little pegs on this thing that have broken off, and so what I want to try to show you is that I was able to drill. Well, this piece basically just comes out when it's broke, and I was able to drill through it. So let me get a better focus here. Okay, now you can see it. So there's a little copper wire in there. So basically I took this piece out, drilled a little hole across it, and just took a little piece of copper wire, like 14 gauge or whatever, and just ran it through there just a little bit longer than the width of this, and kind of sanded the sides down. And I slid this piece back in there, and to get it in and out you actually have to pull up on this the button, and it will actually come up a little bit, and then the piece will come in and out. And so I put that little piece of copper wire in there, and then when you push this button, it will slide in and out again. So that's basically it. So when that little piece is out, when it's broke, you'll see the little two marks on the sides where the little arms were, and you'll see where they broke off, and just drill right through that spot on this latch. Put a little piece of wire in there, put it back together, and it'll work. That's it.